Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July the 26th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, GlaxoSmithKline plans to cut more than 30 clinical and preclinical drug development programs whilst considering options for its rare diseases unit. The move comes as the company looks to improve the efficiency of its pharmaceuticals business in an effort to mitigate the impact of pricing pressures on its current portfolio. GlaxoSmithKline also aims to allocate 80% of its pharmaceuticals R&D capital to priority assets in 4 therapy areas, including respiratory and HIV infectious diseases. The drug maker has developed a priority list of assets to invest behind, with significant data expected from these medicines over the next 3 years. In other news, Celgene agreed to pay $280 million to settle civil litigation in the US, primarily related to allegations that the company promoted Thalomid for off-label uses. The company denied any wrongdoing in the matter, but decided to settle the lawsuit to avoid the uncertainty, distraction and expense of protracted litigation. In addition, US Vice President Mike Pence cast a decisive vote that swayed an evenly divided Senate to open debate on Republican-led attempts aimed at repealing the Affordable Health Care Act. Senators were set to debate to consider a number of proposals and may also suggest amendments before final passage. And finally, Amgen's profit rose to $2.2 billion during the second quarter, up from $1.9 billion in the prior year period. Meanwhile, revenue increased 2% to $5.8 billion, boosted by sales of Prolia, Repatha and Kyprolis, coming in above analyst expectations of about $5.7 billion. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.